Hello, this is Drew Murdoch from the Wasaga Beach Public Library, and today we have another tech tips for you. So today our topic is on Zoom and Zoom meetings. So what we're going to show you first is how to log in and join a Zoom call. Now, if somebody schedules a Zoom call with you, you will get an email sent to you, and the email will look like this. It will say invitation, Drew Murdoch's Zoom meeting, and then it will have the date and the time for when the Zoom meeting is. And there will be a little URL, it'll say join Zoom meeting, and it'll have a whole bunch of letters and numbers, https ://us04 web.zoom.us/j/ blah 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 blah. So if you see that, it will be a blue link. It will say join Zoom meeting, and underneath it you click on that link and it will start opening up. Now you can either download Zoom, or if you already have Zoom downloaded, it will open Zoom automatically for you. Once you are in the Zoom call, it will ask, do you want to join with the computer audio? You do. Let's make this full screen. The way that you find out if your mic is working is A, if people are talking back to you, and then B is there is a little microphone icon down on the bottom left-hand corner, and it has a little, it will have a green fluctuation inside the microphone just to show you the level of how loud or how quiet you are depending on what you're doing. If you don't want to be heard, you can click on where it says mute, and it will have a little line through it, and that will mean that your device is muted. And if you want to talk again, you can click it again, the line goes off, and you can talk. So the video is the same way. Usually the video will not start on when you click on Zoom, so you do have to, once you're in Zoom, click on start video. Right now there's a red line through the video icon. We don't want that, so we need to click on to start video, and we start the video. So going back to the audio, so for example, I know that I have my nice Yeti microphone, and I want that one to be the audio that I use. So for example, if it wasn't the one that was connected for some weird reason, you can go to the up arrow, and there are a whole bunch of different options as to what microphone you want to use. So I could either use my Yeti stereo microphone, or I could use the built-in one that works with that comes with the laptop. And if I'm fine with that, or if I don't have my Yeti microphone for some weird reason, that's totally fine, and I can click on that one. So if you can't hear anything, this is also the place to go. And you can go to select a speaker, and it will show you all the different options to where you are hearing the sound. So for example, I could connect to the microphone and have the sound come out of the microphone, or I could have it come out of the laptop, or I can have it come out of my headphones. Right now I'm having it come out of my headphones. But if, once again, for some weird reason, if that isn't working, you just click on the up arrow beside the mute, and it will show you. If for some reason you're not sure if your microphone or your headphones are working, you can go down to the up arrow beside the audio. It will say test speaker and microphone. So if you click on that, it will start playing a tune into my headphones or wherever the sound is coming from. And I do hear it, and I can click yes, I do hear it. And then I'll talk, and I can hear if my microphone is working, because my microphone, or it will start speaking back to me. Yes, it is working. So I click yes, and there we go. Now, if for some reason if you connect and your video is not working, so once again, you just click on the up arrow beside the video icon, and you can see a list of all of the webcams, and hopefully your webcam will show up there. If it doesn't, you can click on video settings and you can try and figure out what's going on from here. And another cool thing, a lot of people are doing virtual backgrounds. So I can click a virtual background and then choose where I want to be. So I want to be in the grass or in space. And the reason why it's doing this with my face is because it's taking all of the things that are white and really bright and turning them the same color. So the reason why I am also in space here is because the light is reflecting really bright onto my face. So I just have to move and there we go. So I'm not as space themed. So you can see that is definitely white and that goes away. So that's kind of cool. You can play around with that. I don't want that anymore, so I'm going to click off of it. And that is how you connect to Zoom. If you have any questions, you can contact us at the library at 705-429-5481. Have a great day.